Hello everyone. Today we will study about life in the tropical and subtropical regions. What is tropical and subtropical regions? Tropical region is the region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. You can see this orange part. It's a tropical zone and it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, approximately between 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. It receives the maximum heat of the sun throughout the year. The world's largest rainfalls lies in this belt. Amazon River also flows through this region and form largest river basin in this world. Now we'll talk about the subtropical region. What is this? Subtropical region, it extends from 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree south. Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers flow in this region and hence they form the Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinent. So in this chapter we'll be discussing about the tropical and the subtropical regions. So let us proceed. This is the introduction part which we have already discussed. Now this is the Amazon basin. You must all have heard about this. The major part of Amazon basins lies in Brazil between the Guiana Highlands in the northwest and Brazilian Highlands in the southeast. And in short, we can say that Amazon basin is located in the continent South America. So let us study about the location, physical features, climate, plant life and animal life of this Amazon basin. Now, physical features. What is the physical features of this? The Amazon River, it's the largest river by volume, and it extends about 6,400 kilometers. A complex network of about 500 tributaries drain the river into it before it joins to the Atlantic Ocean. It joins the Atlantic Oceans and it have 500 tributaries. Now, mainly we'll get to know that this river covers around 6 countries of South America, such as Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, and Venezuela. See, in this picture, you can see these are the 6 countries: Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Peru, and so on. Now we'll study about the climate. What is the climate of this Amazon basin? The equatorial type of climate is experienced. Why equatorial? As we discussed that it lies in the equatorial zone and it receives the maximum amount of heat. It has hot and wet climate conditions throughout the year. The temperature is also uniformly high as it receives direct heat. There is a little variation in day and night temperature, only slight variation. Rainfall is uniformly distributed throughout the year and is usually heavy. There is no dry seasons. No season variations are also experienced over here. See, as it is very close to the equator, and due to that reason, there is a slight change in the temperature of day and night, and hence there is no such seasonal variation experienced over here. Very high humidity and heat throughout the year make this region almost unbearable to live. Let us study about the plant life. Tropical rainforests grow only in the region. These rainforests are the richest of all the terms of plants and animals. Due to hot and humid weather conditions, there is a rich growth of natural vegetation. Forests of this region are the densest and the largest. The tree form a thick canopy so very little sunlight reaches the ground. The vegetation of these forests form tiers. Let us study about the animal life. Which kind of animals are found out? This basin is extraordinarily rich in variety of animal life. See, as it is very densely populated, the forest is so dense, so we can assume that it has a rich variety of animal life. It houses about 30 million species of insects, 1500 species of birds, and around 3000 species of fishes, including the deadly piranha. Animals found here, such as monkey, sloth, jaguars, and swans. Hummingbirds, birds of paradise, these kind of birds are found over here in this region, and reptiles such as snakes, pythons are found here in abundance. There is abundance of snakes over here. Now, what is the life of people over here? The Due to the inhospitable climate, as we discussed earlier, that life is very difficult over here due to extreme heat, high temperature. There is a inhospitable climate. It make the life of people very difficult over here. Diseases commonly found over here like yellow fever, malaria, dengue, these things are quite common over here. Most of the population found here of the people who have been living here for ages in very primitive conditions. And what is the life of people over here, how they survive? Basically, peoples are the hunters and the gatherers who kill animals for food. They practice slash and burn agriculture and shifting cultivation also. Now, slowly, the life of a people in Amazon basin is changing. Aircraft and helicopters are also being used to reach various places. The indigenous population, they push the area and forced to settle in new areas to continue the practice of primitive way of farming. Here in this picture you can see the Amazon forest, how dense it is, and this is the Amazon basin village. You can see the conditions of people living over here, which type of houses they are living, their living standards you can assume by seeing this picture. And only they earn, and basically how they survive is they kill animals for the food. Cultivation, when we talk about, there is a shifting cultivation and slash and burn agriculture is being practiced over here.